I know it's been a minute since we showed off some pictures of the West Grove development, so I thought I'd give you a tour of the progress here. A lot of walls have gone up, a lot of electrical work. So an update since the last time. We've got stairs in, and all the walls have gone up. So over here we have bedroom number 1 on the ground level. Nice big space, and a giant closet to boot. So as we go further down the first floor, we've got our utility closet in here. Great for storage. Goes back through here and under the steps. Try not to move too quickly. I don't want to make anyone dizzy. Got a really great storage closet right here for jackets and shoes when you come in for when it eventually gets cold. Over here we have bedroom number 2. A great window there. And another big closet. Give you a better idea how much space is really in there. And then on the first floor we have one of the 2 bathrooms. Still making some progress here, as you can see. Take a walk up to the second floor. So here we have what will eventually be our kitchen. All this natural light in here. Got you all set up with all the eventual outlets for where everything's gonna go. Got another great space through here. And closet. This is the hookup for the washer dryer unit, so that'll be right here ready to go. And then the big open living room area. Keep it bright on here for you. Plenty of space for a couch, TV, nice view. And then up to the second floor. Another really great big closet space, linen space, great for storage. Another big bedroom in here with 2 big windows. Bathroom number 2. Again, I promise there will be toilets in here. Still working on it. Oh, and then the owner suite. 2 big windows, nice big closet, all ready for folks to move into. Well, I wouldn't say ready to move into, but getting there. Thanks to our volunteers out here in this very warm heat. So if anyone is interested in applying for a home, be sure to visit our website. There's applications online, and our Director of Family Services is happy to help you.